Hey gang, caffeine BS for June 10, 2019. I wasn't even going to talk about these yet, but since one arrived, and what the hell, it just arrived. The first of two cutting tools that I'm going to need for two special cutting tools I'm going to need for the secret project. Since you're not retarded, you know it's a tap. I mean, done. Since since you're not on drugs, you know it's a threading die. I should wake up before I start recording, shouldn't I? This die is officially classified as unobtainium. I mean, you can't find a listing for this thread, hardly. I mean, I almost had to go to England. But instead, China sent me one. What is it? It is a 1/4 inch, 40 threads per inch threading die. Well, the horn blows. What would I want? A 1/4 inch, 40 thread per inch screw. And since I mentioned tap, yes, I got one of them coming. So it's 1/4 inch, 40 thread per inch, tap and die, secret project. Oh, I bet they're all on Twitter. What's he gonna do? Yeah, right. But it arrived. I was hoping to show you the Delrin today and get out in the shop tonight and start mangling it, but that's not happening yet.
Writes Priebus's notes, Corey Lewandowski's notes, John Kelly's notes, lots and lots and lots of notes from Annie Donaldson. She was chief of staff to White House counsel Don McGahn. They also want lots and lots of notes from a man who's listed here as Joseph Hunt. He more familiarly goes as Jody Hunt. He's cited a whole bunch of times in the Mueller report, both for his 302s and for his contemporaneous notes when he was serving as Jeff Sessions' chief of staff when Sessions was attorney general. They want Jody Hunt's notes. They also want the memo to file that Trump's White House counsel, the White House counsel's office drafted after Sally Yates came up from the Justice Department to warn the less than 1 week old Trump administration that the serving national security advisor they had just installed was compromised by the Russian government. And maybe have you ever thought that